Hello, 2nd through 4th hip hop team. Thank you so much for waiting patiently for this practice tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and face the other way so it'll just be easier for you to practice along with me at home as we normally do in class. That way all the directions are the same and you already know this first part really well, so you know what all the movements are meant to look like. But just starting off, we have first row and second row, down, bending with your knees up on your toes, ready to hop up, your head is down. Second row, you've got to be ready, you're coming up on 5, on count 5, which also is the word tell me. So it says, you better believe me when I tell you, and you jump up on tell, you know I like it like that. So I'll turn around just so you guys know this. You can keep your feet planted and hands just going down and then down. So let me scoot out here a little bit so your hands are, so you've jumped up on tell, hands go up, they go to the right, you lean and pop your right leg out and left, but it's so quick, and then you're right back here. And you're waiting on the second group to pop up, or the first group, technically first row. First row, you pop up on tell again, tell, you know, I like it like, that's everybody, and then we throw it to the right as our feet go together. Then we step back on our left, we step left, right, and then back on our left as our right foot pumps up twice, so pump, pump, and our hands go up with it. And then we just groove it out and get ready for verse 1. So we have our hands out and we step back on our right foot. I like dollars, I like diamonds, or diamonds, whichever, diamonds. I like stunning, I like shining. I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? I like signing. Then you go to the right. I like those Balenciagas. That's when you look to the right. And then you turn, you pump, pump, and down on socks. Then you have your right arm, left leg. I like going to the jewelers. And then you have left, right, watch. And then they put rock salt in my... So I like going to the jewelers, they put rock salt in my watch. I get texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving others wrong. They do what I say. I do what they say I can't. Then you have Cardi, 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 Cardi. It's your right arm up in a fist. We have hot tamale, hot tamale. Turn it out. Jump up on fur, then throw coat, like you put your coat on, coat, so fur, coat, and then right on Ferrari, like you drive in a car. I can see that, but you're right, left, okay? Then you hop together, then you step out on your right foot, right throw left, left throw right, right throw left, step out on your left as your left arm goes out the same side, so there's step, step, you're in a strong pose, and then you push forward and back. So after that, so you just did right kick, right kick, step, step, pump, and then jump out, same pose as the very beginning, with your hands together in a fist, and then you're down in a circle, okay? And that is when we run to our triangle position. And then it's kind of everybody's getting hyped, you can jump, you can have some fun, and then I run the shush leg cardio. Everyone is going to jump on their right foot on cardio. So right foot, left leg, so cardio. And then I want everyone to step out on the right, but group number 1, you're gonna have to get ready to go in our ripple really quick. So we have I run the shush leg cardio, and then rows 2 and 3 and 4, you're going to wait in this position with your leg already out. Row 1, you're going to go right into the ripple, which is our hands like this. So we have row 1, you go right, left, and you hold. Row 2, you go right, left, you hold. Then 3, and then our last row goes right, left. Now everyone is down in this position. So get low and make sure your head is facing over your left foot, all right? And then group 1 and 2 of the ripple, you have snake with your left, pull with your right, snake with your right, pull with your left. And then you do it again as rows 3 and 4 join you. So then row 3 and 4, you pop up and you join them and go snake with your left, right, snake with your right, left. Then we have punch left, punch right, then seesaw, seesaw. Then we have punch right as you're stepping out with your left foot, punch left, and then you're going to step in and roll in at the same time. Step and roll. So your hands go over your head and down, which takes you into the last part where we slow it down, and I'm going to do that on the next video.